Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can install XAMPP on Windows 10. Now first open a browser and type download XAMPP in your Google search. Here you can see that the download link, just click on it. You can see that the version of XAMPP installing software. I'm just downloading the 64-bit for my operating system. And the version is here 7.4.9. You see that the download process is complete, and now I am going to install it in my computer. Just double click the XAMPP installer, and you see that the software is running. Okay, a dialog box is opened. Just click OK. Click on next. All the options are tick marked. Click on next. Here is the installation folder. By default it is on the C drive, but you can change this path location. Here I have changed it to E drive XAMPP folder. Just click on the folder location and select E drive. Click on next. By selecting language in English, click on next. Then click on next. You see that the installation process is going on. It will take some time based on your computer configuration. You guys know that XAMPP is a free and open source cross-platform web server solution stack package that is developed by Apache friends, and it is consisting mainly of the Apache HTTP server, MariaDB database, and interpreters for script written in the PHP and Perl programming languages. You still see that the installation progress is going on. You have to wait some time. Okay, the installation process is almost done. And now it's creating the installer. Our installation process is complete. Now we can start our XAMPP control panel right now. Just click on the finish button. Okay, our XAMPP control panel started. Now it's time to run the Apache and MySQL. Just click on the start button and you see that the Apache is running. Now click on MySQL start button and you see that it is also running. Now just minimizing the XAMPP control panel and type localhost in the address bar and see that it works or not. It works. To check MySQL, just type localhost php myadmin and see that it is also works. Okay, all things is going fine right now that we have successfully installed the XAMPP on our local computer. I hope this video will be very useful for you.